Hey, 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 welcome back to Level Up English with Guy. I'm your host, Shane, and I am so thrilled you are spending your time with me today. This is your go-to spot to level up your English, master real-life conversations, and build absolute confidence, all without those boring grammar lectures. Let me ask you a real question today. Have you ever woken up on a Sunday morning, looked around your room, and thought, what on earth am I doing with my life? If you just raised your hand, don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we are tackling a massive topic, the quarter-life crisis. We're going to talk about feeling stuck, how to break free, and of course, arm you with some incredible native-level English phrases along the way. Before we jump in, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who needs a little boost today. Let's dive right in. Part 1. What is a quarter-life crisis? All right, let's break down our very first major phrase, quarter-life crisis. Now, you've probably heard of a midlife crisis, right? That usually happens around age 40 or 50, but a quarter-life crisis happens in your 20s or early 30s. It's that sudden wave of anxiety where you start questioning your career, your choices, and your direction. And you know what the biggest driver of this feeling is? Feeling like you are in a rut. Vocabulary spotlight, in a rut. Feeling completely stuck in a boring, repetitive pattern where every day feels the exact same. Listen to this sentence. I felt like I was in a rut at my office job, doing the exact same tasks every single day. Believe me, I've been there. A few years ago, I was eating cereal for dinner at 10 p.m., scrolling through social media, and seeing everyone else buying houses or getting promotions, while I felt completely lost. That feeling of being in a rut can make you feel like you're falling behind. Part 2. The trap of burnout. So what do we do when we feel like we're falling behind? We push ourselves twice as hard, right? But pushing too hard without a clear plan almost always leads to burnout. Vocabulary spotlight, burnout. Extreme physical, mental, or emotional exhaustion caused by long-term stress. For example, working 60 hours a week gave her severe burnout, so she had to take a step back. Burnout is a passion killer, guys. You work so hard to catch up with everyone else that you completely exhaust your brain and body. Part 3. How to level up and move forward. So how do we fix this? How do you break out of the rut and conquer that quarter-life crisis? Here is the secret. Stop following someone else's map. It's time for you to pave your own path. Vocabulary spotlight. Pave your own path. To create your own unique journey and life choices instead of following societal expectations. I love this expression so much. It takes incredible courage to pave your own path instead of doing what everyone else expects. And to do that, my friends, you have to be willing to take a leap of faith. Vocabulary spotlight. Take a leap of faith. To take a risk and try something new without knowing for sure if it will succeed. Just like when I started this channel. I didn't know if anyone would watch, but I took a leap of faith because I wanted to help you level up your English. Recap and the word tour. Boom! You are doing amazing today. Let's do a rapid-fire word tour to lock these 5 power phrases into your brain. Quarter-life crisis. Anxiety and uncertainty about life direction in your 20s or 30s. In a rut. Feeling stuck in a repetitive routine. Burnout. Extreme exhaustion from stress or overworking. Pave your own path. Creating your own unique life direction. Take a leap of faith. Taking a big, positive risk on yourself. It's time for our community question of the day. I read every single comment, so I want to hear from you. Today's question. If you could take a leap of faith and change one thing in your life right now, what would it be? Type your answer in English in the comments below. Even a simple, short sentence is a massive step forward for your English journey. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on Level Up English with Guy. You have the power to pave your own path, so keep practicing, stay confident, and let's keep leveling up together. I'm Shane. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye!